Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to go over paste. As you know, we can copy and we can paste certain values. There's a special paste function where you can paste only the formulas, the formats, the values, and transpose the values from a column to a row or a row to a column. Let's get started. In order to copy and paste your values, all you have to do is select the values that you would like to copy. So you select copy. You can either hit copy here or you can hit Control C on your keyboard to hit copy. Once you see the moving dotted lines around your numbers, you'll know that you've copied that number. Let's say all we want to do is copy the product name over to the value side. All you have to do is click Control V to paste. You can also hit this button here and it will simply paste the values there. If you click this drop down menu, you will be able to see all the options of pasting. You can paste regular, paste the formulas and number formatting. You can keep the source formatting, transpose, paste the values, and other paste options. Let's go for some more complicated ones. Let's say we want to take this formula and we want to copy only the numbers. So let's select these, Control C, come here, Control V. When we do that, we've only copied the formula. So you'll see here, it's trying to multiply these two columns. Because the second column is text, it recognizes it as a formula error. So let's go back and copy these numbers. Control C. You can come here, go to special paste, and let's say we only want to paste the values. Come down here and paste the values. You can paste the numbers and value. You can paste the value and number formatting, or you can paste the values and the source formatting. Let's go with the values and source formatting. And as you can see, if I click into the cell, it's no longer a formula, it's just the numbers. Now let's say we want to copy these. I will copy this, Control C, and from here I can also paste. And let's say I only want to paste the values without the formatting. I can click values, and there you have it. Only the numbers are copied over, no formatting. Now let's say I want to transpose the table. I can copy this entire table, copy, click there, come down here, click the transpose option and paste. And now you see that my header is now in my first column. And as we continue to go across, you can see the values going across. The difference between the copy and the cut format, although it may look the same, is that when you copy something, you also leave the data where it is. If you want to cut something, you actually remove the data from the original spot and move it to another place. So let's see. If we copy this, we come here and we paste it, we'll have the data both in the original location and in the new location. However, if I come here and I cut, I can use either this button or I can hit Control X. Let's say I want to cut and remove the data from the original location and move it to somewhere else. I select the data, hit Control X, or I can hit this button here. Let's say I want to move it here, Control V to paste, and the data has moved. It's no longer in the original location and only exists in this new location now. And that's the magic of the special paste function in Excel. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.